Are you hosting a party or dinner? It might be a good idea to have an appetizer. Sometimes our dinner don't go just as planned, so it's good to have something there for your guest just in case. Okay, y'all, for this appetizer, we're going to be using some croissant rolls. Most all of us keep some of these in the refrigerator for a just in case night. Golden brown. Okay, y'all, for this appetizer, we're going to be using some croissant rolls. Most all of us keep some of these in the refrigerator for a just in case night. So come on, and we're going to turn these croissant rolls with these sausages into some pigs in the blanket. And I'm going to show you how to do it. The fast way to make pigs in the blanket. You need you a big iron skillet that's been well seasoned, or this one has anyway. And we're going to give it a good spray. Now I'm going to set these in here for just a minute while we open up our croissant rolls. Let's see if we can get them up this end where the arrow's at. We're going to start this. And this right here would make a good appetizer for Christmas or any time of year. We'll start off with this one. And we're just going to open it up. We're going to unroll them. And we're going to tear it in half where you have the two triangles still stuck together. And then we're just going to get them mashed a little bit together. Spread it out. Till you get a square that's all seamed up. Okay, now I'm going to take one of my sausages and we're just going to roll it into the croissant roll. Make sure it's closed good. And there's a pig in the blanket, and you don't have to have so many of those little ones to roll. This makes it faster and easier. And now we're just going to cut them. This makes great little finger food, or you can make a meal out of it. And now we're just going to start placing them in our iron skillet all the way around. And then we're just going to roll our sausage in the dough. And now we're just going to cut them. In little bite-sized pieces. Make sure your dough stays stuck pretty good. If it starts to come loose, just pat it and it'll stick right back down. Now we're going to bake our little pigs in the blanket for 18 minutes on 350. While your pigs in the blanket are cooking, let's make a sauce. We're going to start by adding us about a half a cup of mustard. Some Duke's mayonnaise. About a fourth of a cup. And now we're going to add about a teaspoon of maple syrup. And just a dash of garlic powder. And now we're just going to give that a good mix. And this right here is going to make a sauce, sort of like a honey mustard with a garlic taste to dip the pigs in the blanket. All right, now let's check our pigs in the blanket. Woo! They look pretty good, y'all. And they didn't take near as long to wrap them. And now that they're done, and once they cool off a little bit, actually I could go ahead now and just set it in here. I'm going to have the little center to put my dip in, and we're going to have some iron skillet appetizer pig in the blankets. Okay, y'all, there's our video on appetizers, the fast way to make pigs in the blanket with some homemade sauce. So if you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel get out there and grow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.